What's up, everybody? It's your girl Nappy Natural, and I am back with another video. What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be throwing away some of my hair products that I don't use. So let's move this closer. Let's see if we can see. So I have a bag right here. This I don't use. Conditioner. I don't use this. Is this? What is this? I'll keep this. Everything I'm gonna keep, I'm just gonna like put it to the side. This is shampoo. This looks like it's trash. We're gonna throw it out of the way. This is a perfume. That shouldn't be here. This is an oil. I think I'm just gonna throw it away because this shampoo is probably old, so I'm gonna throw it away. Let's see. This is 12 months. It's past 12 months probably, so I'm gonna throw that away. And this, I'll probably just keep this, put this to the side. So moving on to the next shelf. I'm gonna keep the grease, so I'm gonna keep this up here. This, let's see. I'll keep this, I'll give it a try. Trash. I think this is like empty, let me see. I wanna keep it because, okay, this is, I wanna trash this, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna waste so much stuff. This, I know this is empty. Yep, this is empty. It's trash. Let's see. This still has some stuff in. Oh my god, you guys, this smells so... I just love this smell. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of it. So this, I'm gonna keep it. This is just oil. I'll keep that. I'm gonna trash this. I'll lap with this. We're gonna trash this. I don't need all this hair products that I don't use. These blueberry Brist. Maybe I'll keep this, but I don't. Yeah, this is 36 months. I can keep that. Let's see. This is probably trash because. Yeah, I'm gonna trash it. I can't believe I'm trashing all of this shit. This, how many months is this? 12. We can keep this. These we can keep. This is like brand new, you guys. 12 months. I haven't even touched this. This didn't work for my hair at all. But it says like, I'm gonna just trash it. It doesn't work, I won't use it. This is empty. This is a growth oil, but look at the bottom. It's like trash. This is, oh my god, this is trash. Look at it. That is disgusting. Wow. Keep this. Milk conditioners. I don't even know why I bought this because I don't even know how to use milk. Is this a conditioner or? Yeah, this is milk conditioner. I don't know how to use that. Hair milk. Trash. We're trashing this. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm throwing away so much shit. This we could probably keep. This we can keep. Ooh. I don't know what this is. I don't even want this, but I'm just gonna trash. This is probably, I don't know if this is trash or not. I'm gonna keep it. It's like an edge control. Someone gave me this. This is trash. trash. And then down here we have Eco Style gels. This is empty. This is like, I'm gonna just trash this one because it's halfway full. We're gonna see what's in here. So I have a couple of socks. These are all what are these? These are like, I forgot what the name of these are. These are all satin shit, I forgot the name of them. These are scrunchies, whatever, or hair ties, but they all have stuff stuck in them. So this is a pre-poo, but look at it. This is empty. So that's just scrunchies in there. And then we have, in here, we have these trash. This Gorilla Smell Glue is trash. Okay, so I just threw away a lot of hair products, you guys. Oh my god. Like, this is crazy. But yeah, I'm glad I threw all these products away because if not, I'm just gonna have a bunch of shit that I don't use. So yeah. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna clean this off. You know, get it clean. All the products that I have now, basically 75% of the products that I did have, I threw them out. So this is all I have left. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.